Welcome back to good old RVing. My name's Greg and I'm going to be your host for this video. And the video's interior design for the kitchen, and it's all about installing a backsplash, removing the old factory vinyl or whatever and installing a new one and everything that was involved. So here we go. Let's get started now. So I went to different paint stores, I went to different home improvement stores, and couldn't really find anything to match what I already have right here. And so went online, and this is the closest thing I found. And as you can see, it's not an exact match by all means, but it's the only thing that's going to fit behind my stove and sink, and it uses a backsplash. This is a vinyl material, and you can see right here, it's not, I don't know, it's kind of like a paper vinyl. It's real super thin, but it's also very strong. And so I decided to buy it and install it. And you'll see how it turns out. So my goal here is to try to match that column that I have of stone already with some type of a stone material wallpaper. And this is the closest thing I found right here. As I was on Amazon, I was all over the place on the internet, but this is the closest thing, and very reasonably priced. It was very simple to peel on. If I made a mistake, I could peel it off and reinstall. Didn't have to tear it off and cut a new piece and try to reinstall it like that. It was really good. It's what I find out. It's vinyl coated. It's quality material, vinyl coated, and here's all the stuff that it says about it. And yeah, great stuff. I'm really impressed with it. And so here's where I start. This is the kitchen. This is the, I'll call it the left side counter. And I had already installed spice racks, the knife rack. It's the double magnets, as you can see right here. And so all those things have screws in them. And so that was the tricky part. And as you can see where I took it off right here, you can see how I put the inserts in the wall to hold them. And so I took these off first, then I took the spice racks off. Gradually I took everything off. Right here you can see where I'm putting on my first sheet of paper, and then my second sheet's on. And see that big brown spot? The one by the two switches? Yeah, that one right here. The rice cooker, the steam, had caused the paper they had on the wall before to loosen the wall part up, and so when I took it off, it tore that off as well. But as you'll see at the end, it turned out okay. And this is the opposite wall right here, and this was the hardest part, going around the hood where the fan is and stuff. And plus you had to clean it really good, which all the cleaning I used Windex. And before I even started, I went along the bottom of the countertop against the wall and removed the sealer. They had a bead of silicone all the way around. So you got to be sure you do that first before you even take the old wallpaper off. And so this is just showing you shots of how I progressed. And there's the tuba sealer I used. It's good stuff. It has a 10-year guarantee and warranty, whatever, against mold and stuff. And so I'm happy with that. And 100% silicone. And so I'm starting to put everything back on the wall now. And I already ran the bead along the entire bottom all the way around. And as you can see, all of those spice racks, everything that's hanging on the wall, is I had to put inserts in the wall and then use the screws. And so when I put up the new wallpaper, I had to find those inserts. It wasn't really a big job, but it was interesting especially the one that's holding the utilities, because there are no inserts for that. That was just screwed directly into the wall because there were some studs. I was lucky there were some studs behind there. And so this is showing you the finished product right here. And so I hope you enjoy this little photo op, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope I get to see you on the next one. And take care now. Safe travels.